Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and today I'm going to show you a very interesting tool. This tool is a personality calculator, and this tool will tell you the personality of anyone. Obviously, it's not 100% accurate, but they have kind of developed a artificial intelligence algorithm where it looks at someone's profile and then it tells you about their personality. So the website is called crystalknows.com and the app is called Crystal. So what you need to do is that you can go ahead and sign up for a free account, and once you sign up for a free account, you will be able to get 10 credits. So in the pricing, you can get more credits. They have a pricing plan, but there is a free plan which kind of gives you 10 free credits. So what you need to basically do is that you need to go inside LinkedIn, and in LinkedIn you can open up any profile. So let me open up, let's say, this particular profile, Shivam Gupta, and he is a digital marketing manager at Zozo Day, growth hacker, SaaS marketer. So here there is this link called view personality. So if I click on view personality, it will scan the profile and then it will show me what is the personality of Shivam Gupta. So here you can see Shivam tends to have lots of charisma, may lack patience sometimes, say optimistic and focus on the future. So what do you need to do? I need to call Shivam, or I need to email Shivam. So that what you need to do, you want to negotiate, you want to make a good impression, you want to schedule a meeting. So let's say I want to schedule a meeting with him. So I will click on get advice. So it says that I can write this email. I am very curious to know what you think about. I am super interested in learning more about this, blah blah blah. And subject would be it also gives you a subject line, thinking what you would thinking you would be interested in this. And it says greeting, hey Shivam, let's do this on Thursday 4 p.m. Good, signing off. So this is how you approach the entire thing. So let's go ahead and try some other profile. So let's go ahead and try Sanjay Shenoy, and here you can see Crystal will start scanning Sanjay Shenoy's profile, and then it will show me what is the kind of personality that Sanjay is. So casual language, bold statements, and focus on the big picture. So what do I need to do? I want to email Sanjay, let's say, and I want to let's say I want to ask for a raise. Let's say Sanjay Shenoy is my boss, and I want to email him and ask for a raise. So this is how I would write. I would write about some ideas I have for the future. Eventually, this is what I am working towards. I want to grow alongside the company. Shall I share my personal goals with you? Subject can be very straightforward. Request to chat about a raise. So let's go ahead and try this on someone else. Let's say Chandragant. And Chandragant was the president of a company that I used to work with before. And let's see that if I want to ask Chandragant for a raise, let's see if he has a different personality here. So quick thinker, ambitious, persuasive, resistant to formal structure, and drawn to calculated risks. So assert yourself but keep it casual. He's like a driver type. He likes leading others. So I want to email Chandragant and I want to ask for a raise. So let's see if it kind of gives like a different advice here. So it is scanning, trying to give me data. So now it says that you have 6 free views left in your account because I have already used 4. So it's a limited account, and free account can give you like 10 free profile scans. So the personality test is based on the amount of information that they have given in their profile. So this does not seem to be loading right now. So let's try to refresh the page. So I think we might be having a little bit of slow loading time here, but anyway, I think you got the idea. So yeah, here we got the answer here. So we selected negotiate and we got a bunch of results. Let me try refreshing the page. So back here, and let me check the same thing again. Email Chandrakant and ask for a raise, get advice. So here you can see that if I want to ask for a raise with Sanjay Shenoy, it was different. but here the subject line is different, future financial goals. And here you can see my responsibilities have expanded, include this is how my work impacts my bottom line. So basically when you use this particular kind of profiling, you can communicate better, and it kind of gives you an idea if you are stuck and if you are trying to mail someone and if you don't know what to mail them, it kind of gives you an idea how to get started. So go ahead and try out this tool, crystalknows.com. Go ahead and try scanning some profiles, send it to the people you know and ask them how accurate it is. So what I did was that I sent this personality test to a bunch of people I know, and they said it's 60% accurate, which is not bad considering that this is artificial intelligence algorithm, right? So here I can also go ahead and get some email templates. So subject line body, bunch of email templates for different purposes as well. And you can see that here I can check the profile conversation, and if I want to go ahead and try to get his profile, I can also do that. So here I can get his entire profile on a PDF. So I forgot where that option is, but yeah, so here you can see view full profile, and if I go ahead and click on view full profile, then I will be able to see the entire profile here, which I can also download as a PDF. So what I did was that I sent it to a bunch of people. They liked it. They said, hey, how is this so accurate? How did you do a personality test on me? Tell me, what tool is this? So go ahead and play around with it. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.